Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new here, this channel is all about nails, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you could get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you're OG, triple OG, coming back to my channel, thank you so much. And on today's video, you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I apply the Kokoist Gelip gel extensions, okay? So if you're interested on how I apply these, make sure you keep on watching. Let's go. All right, you guys, so the Gelip extension kit, or this right here, comes with 300 pieces, 10 different sizes, and 30 pieces each, okay? So each size has 30 nails in each compartment. This is made out of ABS material, which is a mixture of rubber and some other materials that when it's nice and cured, it turns into like a nice hard gel consistency, so they're nice and strong. The cool thing about the Gelip extensions, you guys, is the fact that you could fill them, okay? You're gonna see in the video, you could fill them and you can also soak it off. But to keep rewearing them compared to some other brands, you don't have to do a soak off every time. You could actually fill these, or you could soak them off if you want. So if you're interested on how I apply these Gelip extensions, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is how my nails look after I prep them. I'm using the Gelip Balm Base and I'm going to apply this on all my fingernails. And just take your time, make sure you go around and cure it for about 10 seconds. So you're just going to freeze it in place. Then you're going to grab your Gelip extension with the Gelip base and you're going to brush it on there and then drop a little bead at the end of the tip, okay? Once you do that, you're going to grab your little lamp and make sure everything's in place. And you're going to drop the tip 1 to 2 millimeters away from your cuticle. You do not want to put it right on top of the cuticle, okay? And I will show you in the next clip what I mean by that. And this is the way right here. You see, there's a gap between the tip and the actual cuticle, because with this, we're going to use the gel to fill that in later, and I will be showing you that as well. So here I'm just going to show you a few more times how to do that. Just brush the gel, drop a little bead at the end of the tip, and then drop it down at a 45-degree angle, 1 or 2 millimeters away from the actual cuticle. And this is how they look. And here I'm just going to show you kind of a real-time scenario. I'm applying the gel, and after that, I'm going to cure it for about 10 seconds. I'm grabbing my tip and I'm applying the gel. And then this is when I knew I did not put enough gel on there. I didn't, as you could tell, it's like a little pool. And I was looking at it, I'm like, we'll make it work. So I'm grabbing my light and I'm putting it in place, and I'm going to drop the tip on the nail. And you're going to see on the top right, you're going to see like a gap where there's no gel right there, you see? And I'm trying to push it down, and I noticed that the gel is not going to go all the way down. So all you do when this happens, before you cure it, you're going to take the gel and you're going to put more gel on the tip, and then you're going to try it again. And then you're going to see how smoothly, a lot smoother, the gel goes straight down the nail bed. And then once you do that, you cure it in place, and then we get ready for the next steps. Okay, so this is how they should look. After this, you're going to take the nails and put it in your lamp. And I'm using the Kokoist Gelip lamp, and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, you guys. Next, I'm going to take the Kokoist file, and I'm going right underneath the sidewall of the nails, and I'm going to file the sides and around the tip, and just take my time to define the shape. Make sure you're not digging into the sidewall, because then that's when you'll start making little divots in the nail and it could cause a breaking point. Here I'm taking my sanding band and I'm going to basically smooth out the little ledge that the tip leaves, okay? And we're going to smooth this out. Just take your time going around the actual tip, okay? Not the natural nail. I'm taking the file, the e-file, and I'm going on top of the actual soft gel tip, and I'm smoothing it, thinning it out at the base. After I do that, I'm taking my buffer and I'm going to buff the nails to remove any shiny layer, because remember from my previous videos, nothing sticks to shiny. So we're going to buff, get rid of the shininess, and then we're going to take some alcohol and a brush, and we're going to brush away the dust and any debris that's still on the nail. And we're going to get ready to apply and fill in that gap that we left earlier. Okay, so you can use your platinum filler base or the actual Gelip bond base that we use to attach the tips to the actual nail. I'm going to use this one because it has the brush. And then what I'm going to do is grab the gel and let like a little pool form at the end of it, and I'm going to push that gel to the cuticle, you guys. Okay, make sure you get it as close as you can without touching the skin, because if it touches the skin, you're prone to get lifting, okay, or maybe some type of allergic reaction that you don't know that you might have, or your client. Okay, so make sure it's not touching the skin. And then what I do is I get it as close as I can, and then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and switch to a liner brush, and with that liner brush I'm going to get as close as I can, more detailed, to that cuticle without touching the actual skin. Once you do that, you're going to take your finger and you're going to flip it over to make sure you have a nice apex. Look at it under the light, make sure the lines aren't breaking, and then you're going to flash it in place so it doesn't run all into the skin or to the side. And I'm going to show you this a few more times. It's pretty easy. Once you get the hang of it, let me know if you guys have any questions, and just keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the nails should look. They look like a full set, you guys. You cannot tell me these are soft gel tips. So for the color, it is D&D Utah Veil 167. So 167 Utah Veil by D&D. All right, you guys. So that is how I applied the Kokoist Gelip soft gel extensions. Let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to do a more in-depth video or maybe a live one day and I could show you and answer as many questions as you may have. Make sure you subscribe, you comment, and you like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Day after day.